All right, welcome everyone. So that's where we're at. I say it's the important part's done, but now we do need the base to stabilize it. I noticed this was on the spiral hoist one too. I'm not sure that maybe this is what ties them together or something, or secures them. I don't know. I just sort of I'm interested in finding out what the little lever underneath it is for. But now, that being said and done, let's get going here. Okay. Oh. Okay. That goes. Okay, that's going here on this one. Okay. Now, this one. All the way down and into this one. Looks like that's going to be a brake or something to secure oh, the one we just put in. Alright. Now, these guys. Ooh. Okay, now we're actually onto the base plate, I think. Do I use this one yet? Nope, it does go on there first. This one goes over here. Now, move on to the base plate. I remember doing this one on the spiral hoist too, and it's a bit of a kerfuffle. Okay, so trying to figure out which way we're going. Oh, let's see. So this guy goes like that. That gear there. Got the angled one. Yeah. Okay. So we'll just hopefully start there and work our way around. Split the difference on the rubber band. And nope. Maybe. Ooh, the bag crunching sound. Okay, maybe I'll start at the top. Get a little better angle on it. Once again, nope. Bounce there. I'll find those. Okay. All right, got one in. Now the rest should just pop right in place nice and easy. I didn't like that. Okay, not lined up. There we go. Get the second one in. Alright, yeah. Getting the first one in is the key. Looks like. Okay. Okay, so this one actually doesn't even get one there on this one. And this one. Alright. Okay, not too bad. Now we get to see what all this stuff's about, because effectively that's done. But we get to okay, we want to make sure they're okay, yeah, okay, they're the same. Yet, got the bigger hole and the smaller hole. Want to make sure they're opposed to each other. I think we did this back in like the first couple of steps, a similar assembly. Should just pop right in. Yep, alright, yeah. Excellent. Now, this guy. Here. Round into that. Oop. And around into that. And we got the sprocket type situation going there. Not a sprocket, sleeve, maybe. I can't remember the technical term for that one. Spline and shaft. Maybe that's a spline. Okay. And this goes in here underneath. I guess it's just storage. I'll take this guy. Over here. And this guy. Dropped in there. We just set the list over there so it'll go through the. I don't know what. I'm pretty sure all these last three pieces I put on are when you actually connect the sets together. So that means, oops, we are done with assembly. So this is going to be a really short video. So I'm just going to load these up through there. Yeah, I'm going to get through here. I'll get here. And I was having that little traffic jam situation up here last night, so I don't know if that's. Let's have to see if it still does that or not. Okay. Yeah, got a traffic jam. Okay, so the blue one is holding the door shut, so the yellow one over here won't fall down. So that through, push it in. You guys do your parts. Okay, and those are in there. Okay, and I think the next one will make. No, it didn't work either. So this is supposed to. Okay, that got flipped somewhere along the lines. Okay, I see what's happening. The trap door got backwards, I think. Okay. Let me try those again. Whoops. And then this should knock 3 of them loose. Okay. Yeah, this. Unload these so I don't drop them everywhere. Maybe. Show you what just happened and so one more up through there so I can get that on. Okay. Basically, these little doodads, this one had popped above there, so it was blocking everything back through here. So with that being fixed, I'm going to here, and I get my file out. Just take a little bit off this, hopefully. Shouldn't take too much. Needs more than that. Okay, so I'll get in through here maybe. I am glad the chain actually seems to be working pretty well. Back open. Still. Okay. I'm going to start taking them off the other side now. Good. I think I actually had better. No. Okay. Oh. Alright. That seems to have done the trick. Okay. Let's see what happens this time. Let me get her. Sort of get everything semi-framed in there. Well, first one didn't work. And oh, this one's stuck again. What's going on here? Okay, that time it actually worked all the way through. Okay, one more round maybe. Let's see if I can get maybe catty cornered in here. Oop. Nah, I'm not gonna be able to show you all around, but this is where the excitement's happening. And then that happened again. At least that part worked. Well, I think seems like it's the blue one that's catching, so maybe the blue one's slightly off or something. But anyway, we're done. That's completed. I'm going to do next just sort of a change of pace. I'm going to do the glare up there, you can see. It's still another UGears thing. It's a steampunk clock. I don't think all this stuff actually moves. It just sort of has the look. And it's only, I think I saw it earlier, 43 pieces. So it should be just, I'd say, a one-day build, hopefully. We'll do that, and while I'm doing that, it'll buy me some time to study up on how they connect. And that'll be after I do this one. I'll connect. If they do connect, I'll connect this one and that spiral hoist together, and we'll have a very exciting time. And of course I'll post a short of this one up tomorrow so you can see a better angle of it actually working. That being said, thanks for watching, everybody. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share. Do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another. Stay healthy. And I'll see you next time. Bye.